Hey team, Danya here, your performance coach with Todd, taking you through the last video of this hip series. And if you're like just joining us for the first time, hi, welcome. We're pretty silly and goofy. However, what we suggest, I am. I suggest you go back to the first video though, because in that video, we talk you through how to do a self-test at home to see, are my hips tight or are they actually weak? So many of us just feel tightness and just stretch. In actuality, your hips might be weak and you might need to strengthen them versus stretch them. So if you don't know the answer to that question, head back there now. Otherwise, if you do and you're like, oh, I got weak hips, welcome. This is gonna be an exercise you can do to help strengthen your hips. One of many, but it's a super simple one you can do at home. You can even do it in bed before you get out of bed, so you don't have to get down to the ground. Again, one of many, but here it is. So it's a dead bug version, legs only. Now Todd's gonna be lying on his back. His knees are bent, feet are flat. He's going to brace his core. If you don't know what that means, go find our bracing video. It really walks you through how to brace properly to protect your back and be a more efficient athlete. Now, what he's gonna do after bracing is bring his knees up to 90 degrees. If already this might be too much, you can actually rest your feet against a wall, okay? And just do the first lift off part. But we're just gonna demonstrate, you can choose a wall if you want to. You can bring your knees up a little bit more, Todd, this way, yep. So from here, all Todd's gonna do is slowly lower one leg at a time down towards the ground. You can go as far as you want, making sure you maintain trunk integrity. So Todd, can you demonstrate a really bad one? As you lower your leg down, let your back kind of arch a little bit, right? So notice how his ribs pop up and his back arches. If that's happening, that's your body saying it's not strong enough to go into that range yet. So just back up and just lower maybe a couple inches at a time. Or use that wall and just do lift-offs, okay? So from here, to make this harder, you can straighten out your leg as you lower down, right? To make it even harder, you can do 2 legs at a time. Regardless of where you're starting from, on a wall, doing lift-offs, doing bent knee, just doing lowers down until you can get full range, to single leg straight all the way down to double leg straight. Listen to your body and make sure you don't lose integrity of your trunk. As in, ribs stay down, back doesn't arch. Do maybe 30 seconds at a time as a start, or 2 sets of maybe 8 to 10 reps. Listen to your body, don't go into pain, and make sure you're, again, always listening to, am I fatiguing and I can't hold that position anymore? Am I going too far or not? Use the progressions to help you. Any questions, Todd?
Nope, that was good.
Okay, what do we do now?
Guys, if you like that video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe.
Yes.
We're always here creating these videos to help you move and feel and perform your best.
And laugh sometimes.
At her.
Okay, team. We'll see you in the next series. Thanks so much for being here.
See you again.